Alright, so this video is going to be me imaging the moon. This is going to be from setup to imaging. Then I'm going to take the imaging and get you on the computer and show you how I process those images. So, here I am at my telescope, setting up the plug. So there's my telescope and its Telegizmo 365 cover. And I'm just going to uncover it and then get some of the stuff set up in it. In this backpack I got a lot of my gear, most of my gear. A couple things still inside. Power supplies, auto guider, dew heater. Got an astrometric eyepiece that I use. For my polar alignment. Soon enough I'm going to set up so I can take measurements of objects. Let's see, what else do I got here? Oh, my camera adapter is down here. My camera adapter. See, and my focal reducer. So I'm not going to use the focal reducer when I do the moon images because I want as zoomed in as possible. That's about it for the stuff that I'm really going to use. I mean, my main goal tonight is not the moon, but it is deep sky objects, mainly M42. Going after that. So, I'm going to set up for a time lapse of me getting set up for as much as I can tonight until it gets dark anyway. Then I'll finish setting up then. So I forgot to mention that it's about 25 Fahrenheit, which is about -4 Celsius out here right now. There's a little bit of a wind, but not a whole lot. The moon I'm after tonight is about 22% waxing crescent. So there's the moon, zoomed in digitally on my phone. That's what it's looking like right now. I'm just waiting for sunset, waiting for it to get dark until I start imaging. What I have to do is I gotta do the polar alignment. I didn't set up the hand controller because it is cold outside and that just slows down the display. Right there's my dew heater. There's the box for the dew heater. I got all the way up. I find that all the way up, or just about, oh, there it is over on this side. All the way up. I find that all the way up to high seems to do the best. I haven't come across any issues with like any kind of heat waves coming off the end of the telescope or anything. Nothing that's really screwed up my imaging. Everything else is just sitting in my backpack for now. So there's the telescope all set up. So now it's just wait until nighttime, wait until nightfall, because I want to do my polar alignment, make sure I'm all good to go there before I start imaging the moon. Like I said, not that it really matters for the moon, but I'm doing deep sky astronomy tonight. So I want to make sure my polar alignment's good. It's going to look like a mess once I get everything hooked up. All the wires are going to be everywhere. People are always saying, why don't you organize the wires? Nah, I don't mind the wire mess. I'll probably organize it once I make a mistake and I drop my entire telescope. When I get caught on it, that's when I'll decide that, oh, maybe I should do that. Right now I gotta be careful because it's icy. Had to put down some baking soda, which helps a little bit. Ran out of salt. Gotta make sure it's pet safe for my dog. Iris, come here. Come here, girl. Come here. Hey, girl. This is my astronomy buddy right here. Iris. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey. Look at her. Look at that. Who's a good dog? Gonna keep me company tonight while we do astronomy? Yeah, that's what I thought. Wanna go inside right now? Let's go. Alright, I'll be back once it's dark and finish this up. Alright, I am back outside. It's a little past 6 now, and I brought the hand controller out, and I'm going to start doing the polar alignment, get that all done so that when I'm done doing the moon for this video, I will continue on my evening and do the deep sky objects. Like I said, there'll most likely be M42 tonight and maybe something else. I just have a few more images I want to get of the Orion Nebula. So let's see where I'm at. So there's my telescope. It's been cooled down. First thing I'm going to do, take this cap off. Quick look at some of this. I gotta get this cleaned off one of these days. And look how dirty that is, but it still works pretty good, and as long as I do my flat frames, I'm good to go on most of the dirt and dust bunnies and all that stuff. So I've got the hand controller hooked up. Let's set it. Let's see, where am I not connected? Okay, so got the hand controller going. Wake up from hibernation. Okay, let's see. And get the time here. We've got 6:09. We'll set it to 6:08. That is 18:08. And how many seconds? Let's go with 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Wait a few seconds here and enter. We are at standard time. Let's see. Okay, well, hard to see there, but we're at standard time. Eastern USA. Today is not February 2nd. Today is, what is today's date? February 9th. So we got 02/09/2019. So that's good. Enter. Advanced GT. It didn't ask me to do the polar alignment. Well, the moon's right up there. Let's see if the telescope gets us there. Heck with it. Then after that, I'll do my polar alignment. So let's go to solar system. Let's check out the moon. Let's go. There's a telescope slewing to the moon. So far, it looks like it knows where it's going. Oh yeah, it's going. Might be a little off. Well, I mean, I didn't do polar alignment, so why would I expect it to be right on? I got my camera over here. I've got the Canon T3i. That's what I'll be imaging with. I'll be using the video zoom that comes with a T3i. Not all Canon cameras have that. So we'll see. No, it actually is pretty on with the alignment. I mean, I'm trying to focus right now. Trying to focus, and there is focus. So without doing alignment, that was pretty freaking close. See if I can get you a quick... So, I mean, the moon is there. It's hard to do this with your hands. So there's the moon. That's what I'm dealing with. Alright, so I am going to cut this video, hook up the camera, and then I'll show you my view on the back of the camera. Alright, so there's the moon on my camera. I'm just in video mode, and all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take a video of this. Let's see. I'm trying to remember how to record a... Oh, I think I pressed this button here to record a video. Yep, it's recording now. So this is the section I'm going to get video of right now. I don't know how long I'm going to let this run. It's definitely an interesting feature and section of the moon. I'm not quite sure of the crater names right now. I haven't looked them up yet. I just pointed and started imaging. I'll worry about that stuff later. So I'm now done with recording that. What I'm going to do is scroll around on here. I also want to get some features over here along the terminator. Trying to do this blind. I'm not really looking at what I'm doing here. Let's do a zoom on this area. Let's get right in there. See if I can fix the focus on that. It's hard to tell. The atmosphere won't stay still. Really moving things around. Let's go with that. See if that ends up working good. We'll see. We'll see what we get. How much it's jiggling on screen. Yeah, that's... I don't know how well these are going to end up turning out, but I'll get a few more videos and then we'll look at them on the computer. But that won't be until tomorrow morning. So I'm going to stop this, get a few more, and then tomorrow morning we'll carry on. So here's one other spot I decided to get. I really like this spot because you can see the terminator right there, but you can see the edges of a crater on the other side of the terminator being illuminated by the light. That's cool. I like seeing things like that. I really hope this one comes out good. So anyway, like I said, I'm going to finish this video. I'll get another one maybe after this. And then I'm going to go on to my deep sky imaging. So I will get back to you tomorrow after I'm done doing all my data for tonight. And we will edit and see how this is done.